Hi friends, welcome back to Weldtech QC, the YouTube channel of Lloyd's Institute of Technologies. My name is Vincent. Today, let us discuss about fabrication, various aspects of fabrication. Fabrication technology is playing a very important role in infrastructure development all over the world. It is almost impossible to name an industry that does not use some type of fabrication. For example, oil and gas industry, steel structural buildings, transmission pipelines, high-rise buildings, pressure vessels, bridges, offshore platform, aeroplanes, rockets, missiles, defense machineries, and so on. The widespread application of fabrication technology all over the world provides a constant source of employment. Employment for engineers, technicians, skilled fabricators, welders, and so on. The opportunities are plenty. The most sought after jobs today is in fabrication technology. Okay friends, so I'll be coming back with a very useful fabrication videos in the coming days. Until then, goodbye and thank you for watching. See you. Okay friends, see you in next. Until then, goodbye. Thank you very much.